Hey there, fellow Americans. If you've been waiting for some good news about stimulus payments, you're in for a treat today. The IRS has just made a groundbreaking announcement that's going to put a smile on millions of faces across the country. We're talking about double stimulus payments worth $6,900 for eligible recipients, particularly those on Social Security and SSDI. Before we dive deep into this exciting news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on important updates about stimulus payments, Social Security benefits, and financial news that matters to you. Now, you might be wondering, is this really happening? Am I eligible for these payments? Well, I'm here to break down everything you need to know about these newly confirmed double stimulus payments. The Internal Revenue Service has officially announced that certain eligible Americans will receive combined payments totaling $6,900, with distributions specifically targeted at Social Security and SSDI recipients this month. Let's address the burning question on everyone's mind: why is the government issuing these double payments? The decision comes as part of an ongoing effort to provide additional support to Americans who continue to face financial challenges in the current economic climate. The focus on Social Security and SSDI recipients acknowledges the particular vulnerability of these groups to rising costs and economic pressures. You might be asking yourself, how do I know if I qualify for these payments? The eligibility criteria are specifically designed to benefit those who receive Social Security retirement benefits, Social Security disability insurance, SSDI, supplemental security income, SSI, and railroad retirement benefits. The IRS has emphasized that these payments will be automatically distributed to eligible recipients, meaning you won't need to file any additional paperwork or applications if you're already in the system. One crucial detail that many people are curious about is the timing of these payments. The IRS has confirmed that the distribution will begin this month, with payments being sent out in waves to ensure smooth processing. But here's something important to note: the exact date you receive your payment may vary depending on several factors, including your regular payment schedule for Social Security or SSDI benefits. Now, let's talk about the breakdown of these double payments. The $6,900 total comes from combining multiple support initiatives, and it's important to understand how this money will be distributed. Some recipients might receive the full amount in one lump sum, while others might see it split across multiple payments. The key is to keep an eye on your bank account or mailbox, depending on how you typically receive your benefits. You might be wondering, what do I need to do to ensure I receive my payment? The good news is that for most eligible recipients, these payments will be automatically processed using the information the IRS and Social Security Administration already have on file. However, it's crucial to make sure your contact information and direct deposit details are up to date to avoid any delays or complications. For those of you who receive your benefits through Direct Express cards, you'll be pleased to know that these payments will be automatically loaded onto your cards. This ensures a seamless and secure distribution process for beneficiaries who prefer this payment method. But what about those who typically receive paper checks? Don't worry, the IRS will continue to send physical checks to those who haven't set up direct deposit. An important aspect that many people are asking about is whether these payments will affect other benefits or be subject to taxation. The IRS has clarified that these stimulus payments will not count as income for federal benefit programs and won't affect your eligibility for other assistance programs. Additionally, these payments are not taxable, so you won't need to report them on your tax return. But here's something you need to be aware of: scammers are already trying to take advantage of this situation. Remember, the IRS will never call, email, or text you asking for personal information or payment to receive your stimulus money. If anyone contacts you claiming to be from the IRS and requesting such information, it's likely a scam. For those of you wondering about the impact on dependent benefits, there's good news. If you receive Social Security or SSDI benefits and have eligible dependents, they may also qualify for additional support. The IRS is working to ensure that families receive the full amount they're entitled to, including any applicable dependent benefits. Now, let's address a common concern: what if I don't receive my payment when expected? The IRS has set up specific channels to handle payment inquiries, but they're asking recipients to wait at least 5 business days after their scheduled payment date before raising concerns. This allows time for processing and posting of deposits to bank accounts. It's worth noting that these payments are part of a broader economic support initiative. The government recognizes that many Americans, especially those on fixed incomes like Social Security and SSDI, continue to face financial challenges. These double stimulus payments are designed to provide meaningful support during these times. For those who have recently started receiving Social Security or SSDI benefits, you might be wondering if you're eligible for these payments. The good news is that new beneficiaries who began receiving benefits in the past year may still qualify, provided they meet the other eligibility criteria. Another frequently asked question is about the payment method. Will it be the same as your regular benefits? In most cases, yes. If you receive your monthly benefits through direct deposit, that's how you'll receive these stimulus payments. If you get paper checks, you'll receive these payments the same way. Let's talk about timing expectations. While the IRS has confirmed that payments will begin this month, the distribution process may take several weeks to complete. This staged approach helps prevent system overloads and ensures accurate processing of millions of payments. For those who share custody of dependents, you might be wondering how this affects your payment amount. The IRS has specific guidelines for these situations, and it's important to understand how the payment will be allocated based on your particular circumstances. Many people are also asking about the relationship between these payments and any previous stimulus money they might have received. These new double payments are separate from previous stimulus initiatives, so receiving prior payments doesn't affect your eligibility for this current distribution. What about those who have moved recently? If you've changed addresses since your last tax return or benefit payment, it's crucial to update your information with both the Social Security Administration and the IRS to ensure your payment reaches you without delay. Here's an important detail about payment tracking. The IRS has updated their Get My Payment tool to help recipients monitor their payment status. This online portal provides information about when and how your payment will be sent, giving you peace of mind and helping you plan accordingly. For those wondering about the future of stimulus support, these payments represent the government's ongoing commitment to providing assistance to those who need it most. While we can't predict future stimulus initiatives, staying informed about current programs is crucial. Remember that local resources are also available to help you maximize these payments. Many communities offer financial counseling services that can help you make the most of this additional support, especially if you're dealing with ongoing financial challenges. As we wrap up this detailed overview of the $6,900 double stimulus payments, let me remind you to stay vigilant about potential scams and to rely only on official government sources for information about your payments. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from this news. Keep in mind that financial situations can vary greatly from person to person, so while this information provides a general overview, you may want to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional for advice specific to your situation. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on stimulus payments, Social Security benefits, and other important financial news that affects you and your family. And remember, if you have any questions about these payments or other financial matters, drop them in the comments below. We're here to help you stay informed and make the most of these important benefits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.